Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwano namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamola uthi intengo entsha yentela yemikhiqizo emenyezelwe uhulumeni waseMelika emazweni ahlukene idinga amasu asheshayo ukugcina umkhakha wezohwebo njengobalulekile ekukhuleni komnotho. INingizimu Afrika izokhokha intela engu-30% ngemikhiqizo eyithumela eMelika.
In response to the US government's imposition of tariffs, South Africa will continue to navigate the challenges and opportunities these measures present with resilience and innovation. Guided by its national interests and aligned with its broader trade and industrial policy, South Africa is committed to ensuring economic growth, industrial development, and the well-being of its citizens. South Africa intends to negotiate favorable agreements. South Africa will work to secure opportunities in context of rapid withdrawal of favorable arrangements, giving our exports preferential access to the United States of America.
Uhulumeni uthi lesi simemezelo seMelika siqeda ke imihlomulo ebitholwa amazwe asezwenikazi lase-Afrika ngaphansi kohlelo lwezohwebo olwaziwa nge-AGOA esacikicwa neMelika.
We have been concerned about the World Trade Organization and its systems, in particular the dispute resolution systems and the application of dispute resolution mechanisms, but also overall compliance to World Trade Organization. And that's why we are advocating for a reform of the World Trade Organization and ensuring that it's able to adapt to current reality, but also ensuring that we're able to reinforce a multilateral system of trade and transparency across the board.
Uhulumeni wakuleli uthi uzoqhubeka nokuxhumana nohulumeni waseMelika mayelana nesinqumo sokunyusa intengo yentela yemikhiqizo ethunyelwe eMelika.